Just grabbed the brand new ski range here from Blizzard. It's the Anomaly. This one's the 88, Anomaly 88. It's replacing the Brahma range. I mean, the Brahma range, wow, you know, that's a big ask to replace the Brahma, right? We all know and love the Brahma. But the Anomaly is kind of a step up from that. There's 3 other skis in the range. There's an 84, a 94, and a 102. So yeah, it's an all-mountain ski, 88 underfoot this one. It's quite a powerful ski, and the reason for that is it's got 2 Titinal plates in it. It's got a whole length of Titinal running through the middle of the ski from tip to tail almost, really sort of stiffening the ski up. It's got a second layer of Titinal that runs along the edges as well, sort of lower down the ski and basically just above the base. And then it's got a TrueBlend wood core that runs through the ski. So yeah, when you get on the ski and start turning, you really feel it's got a lot of power to it. Obviously through the range, if you're going up to the 102 length, you're hitting into the free ride category. I haven't skied the 102, but it's also got the same construction. It's a really powerful free ride ski. So I think if you're gonna be the skiers on that ski, you're gonna need to be a pretty aggressive or maybe larger guy that really, you know, wants a lot of stability off piste, because otherwise you'll find that you'll get a lot of fun out of them, but they're not the most playful light skis. These, as an all-mountain ski on piste, they're amazing. They carve, they're so easy to turn considering they've got that plate in. So easy to turn, but you just feel the power and you feel the edge grip coming through. It's just really smooth. Short radius turns as well. I mean, they work pretty well considering they're 88 underfoot, and they're a stiff ski, but they almost feel like a, you know, feel like a race ski, but they feel like they've got the power of that, and I really enjoyed skiing on them. They have stuck a bigger rocker in than the Brahma, and I think that makes a difference. You know, it sort of helps that turn initiation. I took them off piste a bit into kind of soft snow, soft and bumpy snow. You need to be on them. I mean, they're a powerful ski off piste, and I think that they, again, you know, they're great if you're an aggressive kind of skier and you want to really sort of push hard. But if you kind of want to like a cruisy ride off piste, that's not the ski for that. I really enjoyed them. They are £660, including bindings, which is a great price for this kind of ski, I think. The sort of ski you could, you know, ski on all day, across the whole mountain. So yeah, Blizzard Anomaly 88. Check them out. This is for the 2024-25 winter season. And don't forget to watch all our ski reviews on In the Snow Mag on YouTube. Check them all out. We're here in the Clusaz doing tons of ski reviews this week for next year. Very lucky.